This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Kim Shipman. An end-unit townhome. 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths. Kitchen and living room open floor plan. Middle island, pantry. Back deck. Window blinds convey. All appliances convey. Finished basement for a 4th bedroom or family room. Basement with a walkout. 1-car garage. Master bedroom with masterbath. Upper level laundry by bedrooms. Half stone front. Can walk to the schools. Schools are fairly new. Convenient location. Close to restaurants, shopping, medical and I-81. 100% financing USDA. Why rent when you could own? Please wear mask when viewing. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Shipman at 304-263-2121.